being able to watch the animals grow and develop, you take great pride in that. It's a rewarding feeling to see how cows can grow and improve when they're well cared for. My name is Kevin Seiwert, and we live in Zumbro Falls, Minnesota. This is home to 680 cows milking, 750 total cows dry. The original homestead was bought in 1943 by my grandfather. In 1995, I came home after a career in the feed industry, and for 3 years I'd sold feed to dairy farms, and I had the opportunity to see what works and what doesn't. But then we knew we had to change because we were at 83 pounds of milk. There had to be something more. What could we do to get more milk production with the feed that we had? So then we started looking at amino acid balancing and at Addisseo's product, the SmartamineM. Back in 2007, I was very skeptical to try it because it was an added ration cost, and is it going to work? And we could see within a week that we had results from fat and protein increases. So then we were blown away, very happy with the product and proud to use it.
I was actually the nutritionist for this farm for about 7 years. So Kevin and I have known each other for a long time. I had the opportunity in 2007 to incorporate amino acid balancing into their diets. I was a very skeptical person. We tried SmartamineM on this herd and saw amazing results very quickly and made me a believer in amino acid balancing. So they've really helped convince me that these were really high quality products, and when the opportunity came along for me to work for Adisseo, I jumped at it. We tried to provide more than just product value. We've been able to do that a lot here because of my past relationship with Kevin and with his current nutritionist.
Working with Adisseo, our production has increased steadily. Currently we're at averaging 110 pounds of milk, and we're pushing 8.4 pounds of solids. Now we look at, can we get above 9? And in partnership with our nutritionist and Adisseo, those goals can be accomplished, not only for the increased components, but also for the added health benefits. I definitely would recommend working with Adisseo with just their knowledge, not only with their products, but how their products can work better.
We try to give help with the whole picture of the farm, more than just product value. I got into dairy nutrition for the people. Dairy farmers are my heroes. On January mornings when it's minus 20, I know Kevin and his wife are going to be out here feeding calves. And so I want to be involved in whatever I can do to help them to succeed.
One of the nicest things about being a dairy farmer is having the opportunity to control your own destiny. It's very rewarding to know that when you implement something and those changes have a return on investment, that it's going to provide an opportunity for your family long term. That opportunity will be there. Because we made smart choices years ago, the farm's still going to be there.